Path to Prosperity in our Orílẹ̀-èdè Yoruba by Professor Adebanji Akintoye. We shall make our electricity supply maximally efficient. Nigeria's most disastrous record of failure is in the field of electricity supply. The Nigerian national grid crashes frequently, leaving most of the country in darkness for days. Even in the best of times, every Nigerian home, office, or businesses loses electricity supply frequently and often for long period of time. Even the residencies and the offices in the heart of the Nigerian federal government in Abuja and the halls of the Nigerian National Assembly are not exempted from these experiences. Light has been known to go off in important times when the President of Nigeria is addressing the Nigerian National Assembly. In the 62 years since Nigeria's independence, Nigeria has not found ways to cope with this problem. Nigerian presidents are fond of vowing to fix it, but after spending billions of naira on it, nothing changes. The economic effects of the failure are catastrophic. Every Nigerian who can buy a generator is making Nigeria the importer of the most generators manufactured in the world. Small businesses cannot cope. Even larger businesses are closing down or relocating to other countries. The fumes from generators cause pollution in most cities' neighborhoods, with serious consequences for the health of the people. In our own separate Orílẹ̀-èdè Yoruba, we Yoruba will speedily establish sure and dependable electricity supply. In fact, fortunately, we are starting at a very good time in the world, at the time when, as a result of climate change and its excessive heat, storms, and devastations, the world's scientific leaders are seriously advising a shift from fossil fuels for generating electricity to renewable energy sources. An early 2023 report by scientists, backed by the United Nations, warned that the world is on the brink of catastrophic climate changes that can bring unimaginable destruction to the world. The report adds that man's addiction to the use of fossil fuel for generating energy is the cause of the problem and seriously urges that countries should move away from fossil fuels and invest in renewable energies. As a starter country, we will join the ranks of countries that are going seriously for renewable energy, such as solar power, wind turbines, waterfalls. This will give our country some advantages in the world. Our country will be saved from Nigeria's disease arising from excessive centralization, continuously working with manageable capital investment. We will be able to supply electricity throughout our country and free our people from dependency on inherited Nigerian futures within a couple of years. This will also provide employment for many of our people. The good news, Path to Prosperity in our Orílẹ̀-èdè Yoruba by Professor Adebanji Akintoye. Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.